And the syntax for doing so is by placing a colon, typing in the keyword base, and opening up parens and passing in parameters. So let's go ahead and pass in our cores parameter. And now that we've factored out the amount of cores from our child type to our base type, I can delete this field. And instead of doing underscore cores right here, I can do count of cores. I can access that property directly from the base class. So now I can go ahead and hit F5, and you see I get an Intel CPU, a Series 4 with i7 cores. But you get the point.